Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So today we are again continuing the body geometry series, and today is all about bone and cartilage repair. So let's go ahead and get our back straight, put our palms out, elbows resting comfortably. I'd like you to twist your hands in, bring them together, and create the V. When this V is created, this is a universal symbol for just about everything. There is a spiral of vortex that is instantly spun up in front of you, which is pure source energy. So from here, we're going to repair and completely regenerate normal, perfect cartilage and bone in every joint of the body, quickly, easy, and painlessly. So from here, you're going to breathe in through your mouth and exhale through your nose. Do that for a few seconds. Breathe in through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. When you're breathing in, you're breathing in that beautiful source energy. When you're exhaling, you are exhaling the garbage that needs to go. From here, I'd like you to bring your hands out like this, continuing to breathe through the body geometry, exhaling through your nose. After about 10 seconds, I want you to slowly close your hands into two beautiful, perfect fists and just leave them like this. As you're doing this body geometry, folks, you can put your attention on an area of your body that needs this type of energy. Cartilage, the bone, the joints. That's it. 60, 90 seconds a day, rock it. Leave comments below. Give a like if you like it. Catch up soon. Thanks, guys.